We got Torcon 5 in the state of. I totally, definitely made that name up, not by Twisted. That's it. Wait, what? On! I have blood on my face. I have blood on my face. Where in the world do I have blood on my face? Let me take a picture of me. I'll take a picture of you. Wait, it's actually working. App Store. Where do you find the weather? I have the weather. Alright, that's not a very good sign. I have to right click like once. Oh! You only have to right click once for it to zoom. Oh, I think I see rotation. Definitely rotation. There is definitely rotation. Oh, it's saving! It exploded me. It actually, the tornado exploded the gas station. I'm running back. I'm here. The store. Oh my gosh. Um. Yeah, those are the automatic spawning tornadoes. I think we should get in the gas station, to be honest. The one just died. Now that one looks like an E. I gotta get a better look at it. Whoa. Okay. Oh, it actually sucked your phone. Wait, I think it hit a building. Okay, there's no water in here. There's like a little water in it. It's like a dry. I'm inside. Down, I'm calling you. It actually touched the ground. These chips that I definitely bought from the gas station. It upgraded the torque on a 7. It upgraded the torque on a 7. Oh, you saw me? I went like a ballerina. Stop, bro. You actually saw me? I became a ballerina. I'm coming in. Yeah, I'm not. And it tried to buy chips. I think I broke the roof. god. I'm in the river and it's... Oh! Did you see me? I'm still alive. Oh no. You saw me jump and dive? Hi. I use this card. Oh, see it back there. I'm gonna go back there. Oh, it's getting the gas station. We need to go to a... Look, it's a house. Turn to the left. Oh, I see there's like a little... Is that the National Weather Service? Oh, 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 oh. Oh no! I'm running away! I do! The tornado just got real close to me! How do you get inside the building?
Western and central Texas area. National Weather Service Storm radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm is located 8 miles west of Midland County, moving east at 60 miles per hour. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate and seek shelter now. If no shelter is available, flee in the nearest ditch.
Kinda think it's there. Kinda think one's about to spawn. Alright, should we head out? Hey, wait, is there a bunker in here? There is a bunker in here. It's outside. It's in the back of the building. I'll show you where it is. Like, get out of your car. Get out of your car. I'm too lazy to drive, so I'm just gonna... Alright. I thought I was gonna say, is there 2 roofs? Oh, I heard your cars. I heard the car. Ooh, get back in, get back in, get back in. Why am I lagging? Oh, that's why I'm lagging. There's another tornado. Couldn't help you. Oh, you're falling. What a miracle. Hey, there's a door. Hey, let me go out there. No, let me go out there. died, didn't it, right? I'm kind of on the ground. I'm trying to roll. Oh. I can't get up. You just see a dead cat across the road. You realize it's me? The fact that you're recording this. Decide to leave the body there. Ah! 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 Sorry, I'm taking a good night's sleep. Up! Ah! Alive! Yeah! Hi. I have 99 lives left. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So you know how we've only been seeing EF zeros? Oh, that sounds like EF1. I'm a park. Oh no! Oh, oh, ah! No! Oh! National Weather Service just got killed, and I am stuck. The tornado is pulling me in. There's a break. I'm gonna spawn another tornado. I'm just gonna let this automatic one roam. Hey, I'm back. So let's go. Oh, I got one. Here. Alright, here's my new one. It's faster. Oh. Ah! I kind of forgot how to drive. Like at some point, if all the buildings get destroyed, we have to hide underneath like a light pole. I said a light pole. So let's go. Here, where should we stop? Wait, there's gas things here. We can fill up on gas still. Like Alex, I don't know how you're doing, but you were jumping. Alex, like remember the video? Like you were you were super far away from the tornado to be picking you up, and your car was jumping somehow. Like, were you just spamming keys on your keyboard? And now they definitely died. So, I'm gonna go ahead and run away. Torque on of 10 now. 10. a sound. Hey, I'm not pressing anything. I swear I was not pressing anything. It was moving me. Tornadoes. Yeah. Gonna run away! 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 Run away! Ah! Oh, oh, oh. Did you get out of the car? Where can we go now? Everything's like destroyed. Alright, I'm gonna find something that we can take. These houses! My car just ran out of gas. My car just ran out of gas. Best choice. Hey, there's houses! There's houses! Nah. In this one. In the one that's behind you. God. Have to run. You have to run. I'm running to the sewer. I'm running to the sewer. I'm running to the sewer. No, no. I'm running to. Alex, run to the sewer. Run to the sewer where I keep going. Get in the middle. Get in it. Directly hitting me. I'm in the middle of it. Oh, I'm still alive. Where are you at? Oh! Guys, Alex, I'm over here. Follow me. We have to get over here. Where'd you go? Try to run. Ah! Oh! I'm flying! Ouch, I broke something. Ah! Ah! The way you saw me flew in. I'm on the other end! No, no, no! Alex, you're gonna see me fly off the other end of the tornado. Alex. I'm gonna find the last option. Alex. I'm letting you know there is no last. No. Okay, Alex, what map do you want to play? Alex, what map do you want to play? We have like 2 left. Tornado Alley. You want to play Tornado Alley? You want to play Tornado Alley, or do you want to play Tornado Plains?